Let's see how much progression you can get with all the changes with the lucky chests in Clash Royale. Before we get to the exciting stuff, let's start with the new common lucky chests. You can find these chests between 10 and 15,000 trophies, and they only have 3 taps, so they can only go up to 4 stars. They're pretty irrelevant, so I'll just show you the table that Royale API made for the drop rates. I fact-checked this and they are all correct. And as you can see, they only give you gold and cards. And the right column is what you get for each chest on average. Now for magic lucky chests, they are exactly the same as lucky drops. It's the same ways to get them, and it's the same amount of resources. They are just a reskin. So the dev team didn't secretly nerf anything here, surprisingly. Do I look better? I think I look better. Now that the boring stuff is out of the way, seasonal chests. These are limited edition chests that you can unlock in a separate milestone challenge, and they will change each month based on the season theme. Each chest has a small selection of cards and evolution shards, banners, and emotes that you can unlock, and they are based on the theme too. So for October, we have the Haunted chests, which can get you all these stuff, and the Phantom chests too later in the month. Okay, now let's get to the nitty-gritty. Interestingly, the most common chest you can get is a 3-star chest, and you must be pretty unlucky to get a 1-star chest, which by the way, only guarantees you common cards. This is such a big shift from my usual environment in Brawl Stars. Anyways, this is the drop rates table that I made, assuming that you are in Arena 20 or above. For each row, we're gonna multiply the chance of getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5-star chest with the chance of getting that specific resource given that number of stars. And we multiply all of that with the amount of the resource. And that is the average column that you see on the right. And if we just add them all up, this is what you can expect from one average seasonal chest. It's interesting how there's a slight discrepancy between our numbers and Royale API's numbers. The difference isn't big enough for me to be worried, but if you want to find out if there are some rounding errors, I will leave a link to the spreadsheet down below. Okay, but this info isn't super useful on its own. So let's use this to find out how much extra progression you can get with these chests. So you can get a maximum of 25 seasonal chests from the milestone challenge. Assuming that you're super tryhard and you get all 25 chests, this is the amount of extra progression that you can get from the addition of seasonal chests. But there's actually more rewards you can get, because when you get a certain number of chests, you can also unlock some guaranteed rewards. Most notably, there are 2 evil shards and the 1 exclusive emote. So if we add all of those in, this is the amount of rewards that you can get from 25 lucky chests, which actually makes it look a lot better. But let's say you're just here for your full evolutions. What is the chance that you get that in your 25 chests? The chances of getting it in one chest is 2.7% times 1.44%, which is 0.039%, which is tiny. Now we need to find the chance of not getting it for all 25 chests, which is 1 minus 0.039% to the power of 25. And now we subtract that from 1 to get the reverse. And the chance of getting a full Evo in the seasonal chests is only 0.97%. Now, I was going to factor in the possibility of getting 6 Evo shards from the 25 chests. I looked into that and the probability is just so small that it's not worth going through all the hassle here, even if I include the 2 guaranteed shards you get. Now, if you didn't get 25 chests, maybe you even bought more chests using gems using code SHIU, which would be an amazing idea. So if you did that, the spreadsheet is down below. I left a space for you to change the number of chests that you obtained. By the way, the person who's telling you all of this, I haven't played Clash Royale in 5 years, and I still haven't played a single game of Clash Royale throughout the making of this video. Come on, tell me this isn't impressive. Oh, and for the Brawl Stars people out there, Brawl Stars is still the bread and butter here. I just want to try Clash Royale out a bit based on advice from a friend, and we'll see how well this video does.